Another day, another rejection. You've been there, right? You pour hours into your resume, send it off with fingers crossed, and then, nothing, ghosted by job applications. Or worse, you get one of these generic thanks, but no thanks emails. Trust me, you are not alone, especially in a place as competitive as Luxembourg. But what if I told you there's a better way to make sure your resume actually gets noticed? Today, we're talking about how to use AI tools to create a resume that not only stands out to recruiters but also breezes through those troublesome applicant tracking systems. As we love to hate them, if you're tired of that thanks, but no thanks letter, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to turn your resume from ghosted to wow and turn it into a show-stopping, Luxembourg-ready masterpiece. Let's go! Here's what makes Luxembourg's job market unique. It's a hub for finance, EU institutions, and high-tech companies, which means that it's incredibly competitive. And while Luxembourg companies need lots of talent, they're not about to sift through stacks of resumes manually. That's why they use ATS to filter out the candidates they don't think fit before ever reaching an actual human being. Think of ATS as the job market's security gate. If your resume doesn't have the right keywords, if the format isn't applicant's tracking system optimized, or if your experience isn't framed correctly well, it's not getting past the bouncer. But don't worry, because today, we're going to make sure your resume has VIP status with AI. Alright, let's meet our AI tools. First, we have ChatGPT, my personal resume writing sidekick. It helps you craft the perfect summaries, job descriptions, and keywords. Then there's Grammarly, which makes sure everything's clear, concise, and typo-free. Resume worded, and finally JobScan. This one's like a laser-focused editor who optimizes your resume to beat ATS specifically. Each one has its superpowers, and together, they'll help us create an ATS-friendly resume that stands out. First things first. Structure. Luxembourg employers and ATS systems prefer a resume that's clean and easy to read, so we're keeping it simple. Contact information, professional summary, work experience, education, skills, and languages. And we'll make sure our keywords show up naturally in each section, because that's what ATS is scanning for. If ATS doesn't see those key terms, it's game over. A good rule of thumb: each section should be clear and straightforward, no flashy fonts or colors. Let's stick to classic fonts like Arial or Times New Roman and avoid columns. ATS loves a one-column resume. This is your first impression, so we need it to shine.
The first step is to pull keywords directly from the job description. This means looking for specific skills, experiences, and even software or certifications mentioned in the posting. An easy way to do this is by copying the job description and pasting it into an AI tool like ChatGPT. Here's a simple prompt you can use. Analyze this job description and list the top keywords and skills it mentions. This will give you a great starting point for tailoring your resume. See how it quickly identifies keywords like data analysis, finance modeling, risk analysis, variance analysis, reporting, budget, forecasting, process monitoring, and many others. These are the terms you want to incorporate into your resume. Just make sure they're actually relevant to your experience. This isn't about copying, but about aligning your real skills to the job requirements. Next, you use the key skills required for the job to prompt the AI to write a resume tailored specifically for the posting. For example, write a resume for an experienced finance analyst applying for a role in Luxembourg investment bank. Highlight skills on analysis, finance modeling, budgeting, and planning. And voila! You have your resume in seconds, specially tailored to address the specific requirements of the role and presents a compelling case for the candidate's qualifications and experience. This AI-crafted resume has the necessary keywords and skills in each section. It is also clear and straightforward, with just one column, no pictures, no flashy fonts and colors, no graphs, charts, tables, headers and footers, and no underlined words. This format makes your resume to be ATS optimized and ready to be seen by a human. Next, copy your AI-generated resume and paste into a Word document. Remember to use just one font. Stick to classic fonts like Arial and Times New Roman. Don't forget to check your resume for grammar errors, as wrong spelling and grammar can confuse ATS machine. Copy each section and paste into Grammarly to correct errors and achieve perfect grammar construction. Next step is to get expert feedback on your resume. Resume Worded is an AI-powered resume checker that you can use to score your resume based on key criterias recruiters and hiring managers look out for. Finally, optimize your resume to be Applicant Tracking System friendly on JobScan. Log on to JobScan and give your resume the final touch it deserves.
Optimize your resume with AI tools and land your dream job faster. Download a free resume template using the link below. We hope you've picked up some valuable tips for crafting a standout resume. If you have any questions or topics on resume writing you'd like us to cover, feel free to share them in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more career and money-making hacks with AI. Remember to follow the link below for your free resume template. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.